Control number 44281, please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam, Sir. I'm Mary Joy Suliba Bolivar, 39 years old, married. I have 3 brothers, 1 sister, and I'm second to the family. I have 2 daughters. My youngest is 7 years old, and my eldest is 14 years old.
What is your educational attainment?
High school graduate
In what school?
from Pastry Bagong Silang High School.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong because I want to save money for the future of my kids.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
Not yet. But I have work experience as a local helper here in the Philippines.
Do you have experience of taking care of an old person?
No, but I'm willing to learn.
Do you have experience of taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes, I have.
What can you do for babies and children?
Take a bath, feeding, change clothes and diaper, and play them.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
Cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, and washing dishes.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
Adobo, steamed fish, vegetables.
Describe yourself as an housemaid.
I am hardworking, willing to learn, and willing to follow all the rules and regulations in your home.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
I'm going to listen and say sorry, and I promise that I will never do that again.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
Good.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
For my future employer in Hong Kong, if you choose me, I'll promise that I will do my best all the times. I will be honest, hardworking. Thank you.